Row and column widgets have a main axis alignment property you can use to evenly distribute their children. There's space around, space between, and space evenly. If you'd like a more customized distribution of space though, try Spacer. Just add instances of Spacer between the other widgets, and they'll expand to make the extra space. Then use the Flex property, which defaults to 1, to customize their relative sizes. Now you're free to create that geometric layout you've always wanted. For more info on Spacer and all the other Flutter widgets, head to flutter.dev.